Hello, we are Project Group 12 and I'm Pranusha Reddy. We start by explaining the project idea and the health problems professors are facing these days. The features like IoT and crowdsourcing are taken into consideration in our system. The necessity of having an external tracking device is discussed, and the budget breakdown on different tasks is also shown. Coming to the executive summary, the idea behind this system is to keep track of how fit and active our professors are at UTD and encourage them to participate in regular exercises by sending them timely reminders. There is a target set for each professor daily, and the professor has to complete it to maintain their position in leaderboard. The system provides customized plans every day and also suggests activities taking place nearby with the help of a crowdsourced application called Yelp. The system renders valuable suggestions based on their location inside the campus. Over to Kirtana.
Here's a snippet from one of the surveys. It shows that 61% of teachers are stressed out, 58% say mental health is not good in new national survey. The figures come from the union's 2007 Educator Quality of Work Life Survey, a poll administered to almost 5,000 teachers and professors across the US. The results suggest a sizable increase in the number of stressed educators since the poll was conducted last in 2015. 58% of the respondents described their mental health as not good. Just 2 years ago, the number was only 34%. 60% of the teachers said that their work was always or often stressful. They reported experiencing poor health at rates far higher than any other profession. Vast majority of them were sleep deprived. Isn't it evident from the survey that we should focus on the health of our professors? So now we move on to our problem statement. There are several health hazards associated with teaching professions. For example, professors who spend a lot of time using computer are at a high risk of carpal tunnel syndrome. Sedentary lifestyle also increases the risk of heart diseases. Professors often tend to neglect their personal health and such health hazards. In order to curb stress and health problems, it is important to regularly exercise and engage in an active lifestyle. Over to Madhu.
In this slide, I'll explain the features of our system. First, the system generates a daily exercise target for the user, which requires the calculation of BMI from the height and weight of the user, and thereby computes the daily calorie count that the user needs to burn to achieve the target. For the second feature, the system also incorporates the IoT feature. The system is alerted when the user steps into the UTD campus through the GPS of his mobile device. The system then identifies the user's current position in the campus and notifies other healthier workout options. For example, when the user is near the elevator, the system notifies the user to climb the stairs instead. Moving to Ratnaguru to explain the next features.
The third feature is suggesting a weekend getaway locations like parks, picnic, where we can do hiking and other outdoor adventure activities aiming at fitness. In this case, we are getting the nearby activity spots based on the user's GPS location and suggest them the activities they can perform. They are provided with the Fitbit device where we can measure the amount of calories burned and also we can check whether the professor met the target. As we care a lot about our professors, in addition to suggesting fitness activities, we'll also monitor the performance and check their progress. Based on their excellence, there are some rewards given to boost them. The next slide, over to Ruchi.
Next, we talk about data requirements. Total of 3 databases will be required for the system to work. Fitness tracking being the first one. It is the database acquired externally to keep track of calories burned and workout done by the professors. Secondly, Yelp database acquired externally would be used to look for getaway places in order to motivate professors on lower rank in the leaderboard. UTD user information can be acquired internally to get professors' information. All of the 3 databases form the data for our system. Data can be acquired by signing a contract after agreeing on the terms and conditions from the Yelp and fitness tracking devices. Also, an agreed amount of commission is provided to the external data source, which helps them financially, providing valid reason on agreement basis. We have the project flow divided in 3 parts: strategic level, design and product setup, and quality testing. Over to Ratnaguru.
Here comes the project breakdown, right from requirement gathering, project charter till go live and project closure. The total cost is estimated to be around $27,032 with the 10% of ups and downs. Here comes the revenue generation. The business aspect of our project involves the following activities like promoting for popular sports like NBA and events, merchandising our promotions, partnering with brands, and through advertisements for every single slide. Thank you so much.